Alright, good evening. This evening we are going to make our way to the tropical island in just the next little while. But first, I want to just mingle around with the neighbors just for a little bit and then we'll make our way over there. Absolutely. Okay. We got lemons over there. Let's go ahead and make our way over to the island, and I will see you then, okay? If my hands get pretty shaky, forgive me. I had to move locations because my DS was getting red, so I guess for within a certain amount of time, we'll go back over to the desk, but I'm sitting on my bed now. I got the phone sitting on my leg here, so I'll try not to move, so yeah. Let's grab the net for now. So forgive me if I do something wrong, okay? Alright, we want to be very careful here tonight. So welcome back to the tropical island, by the way. There's a fruit beetle. Oh, dang it. Here's one of the bugs. Cyclomatus stag. Alright. We got a Goliath beetle. Neat stuff. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. That was a horned dinosaur. Jeez, I'm really just... I apologize. I clearly missed something there. My vision is not that great as far as seeing this. Like, I hate to have to do this over here. If I was at my desk, things would be fine. That's a horned dynastid, or dynastid, whatever. It's the same thing. We're not looking for the same things, y'all. That's the same thing again. Oh. Unless we want to catch them. I mean, but I just like looking for different, various ones. But whatever. There's like this one bug that just moves really fast. Ah, dang it. I was wanting to catch that. That's a fruit beetle. Sorry for the bad camera. I'm doing a terrible job. I know. Oh, that's another, but that's a hermit crab. So sorry if I move around a bit. I'm just trying to do everything I can. I guess we'll catch this again tonight. The Cyclomatus stag at night is like the most popular. I mean, as far as its duration out, because it's all welcome company, you know. Sorry. I know I might be shaking a lot, but forgive me. And I know you can't see the screen fully as we would be sitting at the desk, but hey. Oh. Let's catch this butterfly. I know this is terrible camera view, and I have to keep apologizing for that because, I mean, what do you do? Should we take some lychees back to the island? Not to the island. That'd be for New Horizons, but like back to the town. But oh, come on, that was very rare. I was close. I don't think I was close enough, but it's not like I was running over there, you know. Well, this is where I'm. There, that's how you do it. Whoa, I got a golden stag. Hell yeah. Sorry, but anyway. Or heck yeah. I'll say hell yeah maybe if I want. Whoa. I could have gotten that one bug, whatever that was called, but it's fun to come and catch these bugs at night. And they're worth a lot of money too, by the way, which is fascinating. Those bugs, you know, move so quick. Oh my goodness. What am I doing now? Oh my gosh. This is probably the best I could try to do. My phone was getting ready to fall off my leg, but it's not like I've been moving it or anything. Sorry. Check my inventory real quickly. I got quite a few things to donate. We'll do the donations tomorrow, maybe. I just got some things moving around here to do tonight, but I always try to want to get to those bugs. I'm sorry for moving around so much. Look at this. It's a saw stack. Sorry. I love being here at nighttime catching these bugs. It's fun. It's been a long time since I've done it, but I just thought I'd do it again. Oh, what? That really is frustrating. I really wanted one of those. Oh, that was something else. This is why I gotta be careful. I don't care if we get another one of those, that's fine. I mean, these are worth a lot of money, so shoot. Oh, we haven't caught this yet. That's a horned elephant, I think. Yeah, I was right, okay. I was thinking that for the other one, but I think that's another thing, I think. Probably a shark, and I ain't catching sharks tonight. It's not my focus. I didn't do a good job on that. I don't need no butterflies. I focused on these. Because I like getting a lot worse money for just, selling these and everything. The donating part is what's going to be hard here. I don't know, it ain't hard in general, but the easy part would be just selling these, We don't need those. We like these bugs off these palm trees. And again, please forgive me for the horrible camera angle tonight. I did not know the DS. Whatever. Sorry. Should we go in here and come back out? Because that's what I did sometimes, and sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't, Maybe we'll move back to the desk and, I don't know. Because I really want you all to see this. But I'm doing it from a horrible angle tonight. Oh, shoot. I'm already scaring some right away. We'll catch these again tonight. We'll put out. I know there was something on that tree, but I guess not. I'm just mainly looking at my DS screen, but I'll probably hurt my leg after this. Since I had it on my lap here for about roughly 10 minutes, not more. Don't get me wrong, I like catching fish, but bugs, I think it's fascinating, I think. But Blather's least favorite creature in a museum. He does not like bugs. Nor does my sister. I might have to move back to the desk or something. We'll get toward the maybe 17-minute mark or something like that. Oh my goodness, it really hurts right now. After I scare all these, they're probably not going to come back tonight. Oh my goodness, it hurts actually. When I'm sitting like this. Tries again. Scared. The bugs are scaring me after I went after, since I didn't catch any of them for that time. I'll be sure to plug up the DS before I go to bed tonight. I'm not going to bed just yet, but again tonight. But don't need these. Around 17-minute mark, I'll move back to the desk. Okay. We're getting close, but I'm just still. Dang. How am I going to get good access to that bug? Oh, okay. Now. Alright. Oh, okay. Ooh, God, that hurts. Alright. Oh. Who knows if I could even walk after tonight? Who knows? Anyway. That's a little better right here, okay. I'm going to zoom in, actually. Whew. That really sucked. I enjoy catch-up modes. They're fun. I was able to get that one of those rare bugs. I don't know about the other one that was easily scared. It's like when you have cats in the house. Like I have 3, as I said. When you're wanting to pet the cat, and then therefore he or she runs away. Like they're so scared of you for some reason. I had taco crescent rings for dinner tonight. It was really good. I'm going to eat more a little bit, but I really wanted to come here tonight and play some to show you the tropical island, like I said. Well, not show you, but catch bugs, showing you, basically. Y'all know what I mean. We could just stand here for just a second. See. Alright, well, let's just go and then we'll come back out, okay? I hope I get sleep tonight. I am, because I've been up since 5. Only about 4.5 hours of sleep last night. Guess I was feeling weird, I don't know. But after the haircut, because truly, for some reason I felt warm. But I don't know what in the world that was. I may have to end this soon. I've got some things. Oh shoot! I missed that. I'll head back to the island my own time, but this will be recorded. This is recorded now. I'll upload this as soon as the first thing in the morning. It's really frustrated because, I mean, when you're trying to find these bugs and they're like, they're never out. And like I said, I'm going to donate these the first thing in the morning when we gather in the morning. We'll be here before I go. I have a prayer time to go to. So hopefully we'll be able to see our new campsite. Our new camper, rather, I should say. Whoa. Oh. Let me just see if there's any more real quickly. I'm just curious. I'm going slow tonight. And then we'll take these back, and I think we'll end the episode for tonight. Well, anyway, that was the episode for tonight. I'm going to head back to town. I'm going to eat some more dinner, and I'll come back and play a little more for myself off camera. And then I'm going to donate these, like I said, the first thing in the morning. I'll have them ready in my inventory, ready, and that'll be the first place we go to. And then I'll go do the other stuff with campsite and stuff. Sounds good? I just want to say thank you for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I want to thank you for all that you do, for supporting, and my 2 words, thank you. Thank you for the views, and please subscribe and just like and share this with others. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.